spécialisé dans la manutention et dans le grutage de pièces délicates, comme les œuvres d'art, le placement de glace de verre, de vitrage et d'appareils électriques très spécifiques et très fragiles.
Arnaud Fremersdorf of HYU Handling is a specialist in relocating fragile objects in tight or hard-to-reach spaces. His telescopic crane often needs to pass through windows and other openings without leaving a trace. However, the extension sections of his Scandinavian-built crane were clogged with hardened graphite grease, mixed with dirt and wear particles. This abrasive paste acted like sandpaper, accelerating wear and creating a risk of dripping. HYU Handling turned to Interflon for a solution. The approach: remove the old grease and dirt layers, apply Interflon Degreaser EM30+, then wipe away remaining grease, dirt, and wear particles with Interflon Power Wipes. The result is a clean, grease-free surface ready for lubrication. For lubrication, Interflon Lube EP Plus with MICPOL technology was applied. This PFAS-free oil penetrates deeply and forms a thin, durable dry film that adheres well, attracts no dirt, and does not drip.
Magnifique. Je ne m'attendais pas à un résultat à ce point-là, de propreté, de graissage et vraiment on sent que la grue revit et a pris un coup de jeune en quelques heures de temps grâce au produit d'Interflon.